It's 6:25 and this morning we're taking a short hike of 12 kilometers, which is about 7 miles, through a valley. It's supposed to be one of the easiest hikes we do here. It's all flat. So it's just a matter of managing the heat and walking through this tree on my way down. Look at how beautiful they are. They line the walkway. So all right, let's go bust out 12 kilometers this morning. So today's walk was 12 kilometers through the valley. I decided to chop it by a third and do 8 kilometers. Pretty much doing really good. I don't want to push the knee, so it's feeling a little sore. So I decided to take the cutoff and get down to 8. But this is going to be, this 8 kilometers is the, I believe, longest that I've been able to hike without limping on this knee. So I'm super stoked about that. And I'm going to take it as a win and get back and have some breakfast and probably soak this knee in the pool. But look at how beautiful. I mean, here I am once again in the jungles of Thailand, walking through some of the local villages here. It's just amazing. And this mountain up here, I'm going to turn you around and zoom in, because this mountain that I'm walking alongside right now, the whole top of it's like laced with palm trees. It looks actually really cool. Now, let me show you that. So look at how you just see all the palm trees growing along the top. It's a little smoky. Someone's burning this morning. And this road right here, cutting through here, I won't get lost this time because I just stay straight on this road, and this road just takes me straight out to the main road, and then from there I know how to get back to visit Natural Detox. So it was nice actually to break away so that I can get some video, because it's a lot harder to do. It's a lot harder to do. Look at that view out of somebody's back porch right here. I don't know if this is a rental or what. And got the cow in the background. But what I was saying was it's a lot harder to video and get great photos when you're with a group, because of course everybody's, they're working out. Oh, they have little dipping pools. How beautiful are these? I'm walking through one of the villages to get through the main road. Now I know why my video the other night at Fisherman's Village was so wobbly. I couldn't figure out when I watched it back why it was so wobbly. And oh, well, whatever. The thing you put your phone in, the plastic was starting to break, and I just happened to wonder, like, why is this so wobbly? And the plastic just snapped, and I had my phone in my hand. So I do apologize for the big head in here because I don't have my, can't even believe I can't even, but I guess that's what I'm going to get, a new one today for sure, somewhere. Yeah, and I'm walking through this local village, which it was nice because a couple people actually passed me walking, so I'm not the only person that walks through here to get a workout. But won't be any toxins left this body today for sure, by the time I get these 8 kilometers done. So these have long-term rental houses. Usually they want 6 months, but look at how pretty. Yeah, I would definitely need a pool though. Just a random training gym here out in this village. These places up here, 2 bedrooms, and they're all for rent.